All right, guys. So I'm in Nearpod. I am on lesson 115, a master. And I'm going to go ahead and do this with you guys. So I'm actually going to do just these two boxes with you, and then I want you to complete this box by yourself, okay? So to get this out of the way, I click this little arrow. Now I have all my space. Let me set up my tripod here. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this first one. So it says fill in the product. So today we're going to be learning about times two. Now what times two means is just two groups of something. So if I have two writing utensils, I have one marker and one pencil. One item times two is going to be 1, 2. So let's go ahead. We already know 0 times 0 is what? Sorry, 0 times 2 is 0, because any number, oh, let me fix my crayon here, and let's go to black. Any number times 0 is always 0. All right, next. 1 times 2, we just talked about that. If I have one group of 2, then my answer is just 2. Now let's do the next one. I have two groups of 2, so let's count by 2s. 2, 4. Now I have two groups, and I counted by 2. What did I just say? 4. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Now let's do the next one. I'm going to do 3 groups of counting by 2s. So let's go 2, 4, 6. So what did I say? 6. Because I have 3 groups of counting by 2. All right, let's do the next one. I have 4 groups now of counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. All right, let's do the next one. Now I have 2 groups. Wait a second. Is this the same thing as counting by 5s? Is it 5 times 2? Yeah, so the same thing. If I counted by 2s 5 times, let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 5 groups of 2. Or I can count by 5 2 times. 5, 10. Did I get the same answer? I did. So if I see a problem that I already know, like I already know how to count by 5s, I can check my answer that way. All right, let's take this one. Now I have 6 groups of 2. So I have to count by 2 how many times? 6 times. So let's go ahead and do that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What's this one? 12. 6 groups of 2. I have 12. All right, let's look at the next one. Now I have 7 groups of 2. So let's do it again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And I'll teach you a trick. Counting by 2s is really like this number is 2 groups, right? So I already know my doubles facts, right? We know our doubles facts. So when I'm getting up into here, I can also go, what's 5 plus 5? 10. What's 6 plus 6? 12. What's 7 plus 7? 14. What's 8 plus 8? 16. So counting by 2s is really doubles facts as well. So if you don't want to count by 2s this way in your groups of 2s, you can remember your doubles facts. So like what's 9 plus 9? 18. But this only works with times 2s because times 2 is that number twice. So that's like a doubles fact, right? Because I'm doing 2 9s together. What's 9 plus 9? 18. All right, let's go ahead and do number 3 here. So this one, it's missing the factors. Remember, a factor is a number in a multiplication problem. So like times 2 equals 8. So I can use my little cheat sheet we just created, or I can think, what doubles fact equals 8? Let's see, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So I can know that 4 is going to be here. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. And if you have a hard problem drawing in the box, you can always go next to it too, if that's easier for you. I'm going to go ahead and erase that real quick so it doesn't look like my answer is 44. All right, let's go back and get our crayon. Okay. So now I have 18. What two numbers plus each other, doubles fact, equals 18? Oh, I'm going to pretend I forgot. So I'm going to use my little cheat sheet up here. I see 18. What is it? 9. So I'm going to write 9 in my box here. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next one. Blank times 2 equals 2. What's the only number times another number that makes it stay the same? 1. So I'm going to put 1 in that box. All right, let's look at the next one. Blank times 2 equals 14. What doubles fact do I know that plus itself equals 14? Let's look. 7. So 7 is going to go in this box. All right, let's look at this next one. Now remember, to get rid of this thing, you just have to hold your mouse down. Or if you're on your iPad, hold your finger down. So blank times 2 equals 6. What two numbers added together equals 6? Let's find 6 up here. 3. So I'm going to hold my mouse down. Go ahead and go in here. And then, I'm going to write 3. All right, so then what I want you to do is you're going to do this by yourself. Let me scoot my thing over real quick. So you guys are going to match this up. So for example, 5 times 2. What's 5 plus 5? 10. So I'm going to draw my line from this to 10. So you guys are going to do this part by yourself and then click submit.